Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and in here at the bottom you'll now find your power button, the one in the corner. Click on it. This brings up our boot options, and you want to hold power off. So right here, just hold it. This will then bring up a window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. Obviously this initiates that reboot. And once the device is up, I'm going to quickly just explain what this mode does. So by disabling all third-party applications, it refers to all the apps that you have installed yourself. It excludes apps that come with the device and only turns off the ones that you have installed yourself from like Google Play Store or whatever other means. Now the reason for this is if you install some kind of malicious application, maybe it's messing up with your phone, then in safe mode it won't be able to do anything because it is completely disabled, and you can get rid of it this way. And as you can see, all the apps that I have installed right here, they are all just grayed out basically because all of them are third party, so they're not default apps that come with the phone. And if I try to even open them up, as you can see, it gives this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode, so I cannot turn them off from here. But for instance, I can remove them or uninstall them, or primarily uninstall if I suspect some app is causing me problems. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, again navigate to the boot options right here. And this time around, simply select restart. The device will reboot, and once it does, it just goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.